Yeah, बिल्कुल नहीं नहीं. Hey people, so we are at this balloon ride in Kashmir, and it's like $1,000 per head. So there are, we are 5 of us from this group who chosen to go, and my God, it's so difficult to shoot this. But yeah, this particular balloon will remain stationary at a particular height. But yeah. It's religiously. Yeah, no, I literally will be putting it on my YouTube channel. So this is interesting, and we are at this park that is, it's like, oh man. So this is quite a nice cozy park, and I love this. It's beautiful. This is how it is, and I'm glad, I'm so grateful that we are having this experience.